If you've noticed your energy bills creeping up in Layton, your windows could be part of the problem. With cold winters, warm summers, and everything in between, your home's heating and cooling system works hard year-round. When windows are outdated or inefficient, they allow heat to escape in winter and enter in summer, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Upgrading to modern replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to improve energy efficiency and lower monthly utility costs. Here's how replacement windows make a real difference for homeowners in Layton. Reducing heat loss during cold winters. Layton winters can bring freezing temperatures and chilly winds. Older windows, especially single-pane models or those with failing seals, often allow warm air to escape. Even small drafts can significantly impact your comfort and energy usage. Modern replacement windows typically feature double or triple pane glass with insulating gas fills like argon between the panes. This layered construction creates a thermal barrier that reduces heat transfer. When warm air stays inside your home, your furnace doesn't have to run as often or as long. Over time, this reduction in heating demand translates into noticeable savings on energy bills. Blocking heat gain in the summer. Just as heat escapes during winter, it can easily enter through inefficient windows in summer. Sunlight streaming through standard glass can quickly raise indoor temperatures, especially during Layton's warmer months. Energy-efficient replacement windows often include low emissivity coatings. These coatings reflect infrared heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to pass through. This helps keep indoor spaces cooler without making your rooms feel dark. By limiting heat gain, your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard, helping reduce cooling costs throughout the summer. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. Air leaks around window frames are a common source of energy loss. Over time, seals wear out, frames warp, and small gaps develop. These leaks allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to enter. Replacement windows are designed with tight seals and advanced weather stripping to prevent drafts. When professionally installed, they create an airtight fit that minimizes energy waste. This improved sealing not only lowers energy bills but also enhances indoor comfort by eliminating cold spots near windows. Supporting HVAC efficiency. When your windows perform efficiently, your heating and cooling system can operate more effectively. Instead of constantly cycling on and off to compensate for temperature fluctuations, your HVAC system runs more consistently and efficiently. Reduced strain on your system can also extend its lifespan, saving you money on repairs and premature replacement. For Layton homeowners, this means long-term financial benefits beyond just lower monthly utility costs. Improving overall home insulation. Replacement windows are part of a larger energy-saving strategy. By strengthening your home's insulation envelope, they work alongside wall insulation and roofing materials to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This balanced insulation helps your home feel comfortable in every room, from the living room to the bedrooms, without constant thermostat adjustments. Taking advantage of modern technology. Today's replacement windows are engineered with energy performance in mind. Features such as insulated frames, warm edge spacers, and advanced glazing technologies all contribute to improved thermal efficiency. When choosing replacement windows in Layton, selecting Energy Star rated products ensures you're investing in windows designed for local climate conditions. A smart investment that pays off. While replacement windows require an upfront investment, the long-term savings can make them worthwhile. Lower heating and cooling costs, improved comfort, and increased home value all contribute to a strong return. Additionally, energy-efficient upgrades can make your home more appealing to future buyers, adding resale value. Comfort and savings year-round. If your energy bills are higher than expected or your home struggles to maintain a consistent temperature, replacement windows may be the solution. For homeowners in Layton, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows offers a practical way to reduce monthly expenses while enhancing comfort. It's an investment that pays off in both savings and everyday living quality.